Hello everyone and welcome. Today I am gonna show you how to upload any format of file into AIV. This is my login. After logging into my account, I will land on this page. This page is called as a home page from where you can upload any format of file to create a data set. Today I will be uploading the XLS file from my device. So I will click on Excel. After clicking on that, you will see the drop-down menu where you can see the shared resources and reports. Wherever you want to save your file, you can select the option. So I am selecting reports. This is for the specified part, or you can just drag and drop file here, or you can add it from here. After uploading it, you will see your file name here. And then just click on upload. And you will be prompted as successfully uploaded. Cancel this tab and just go to the create dataset. So this is a very quick guide how to upload a file in AIV. Thank you so much. We will be meeting in my another session where I will show you how to create a data set and how to create a dashboard.